everybody, my name is JBM Travels, the true UK traveller, and welcome back to another fantastic food review. And this time I'm here outside the Wallsend, which is a Hungry Horse pub owned by Greene King. So what I'm going to do is go inside, look at the menu, decide what I want to eat and order. So I'll see you all inside. So, that is literally the best Hungry Horse I have ever been to while I have been doing YouTube. Wow! Just fantastic. The pub is absolutely fantastic. Yes, indeed. Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely marvellous. The Wallsend Hungry Horse pub here near Whitley Bay is amazing. Yes. So I went for the mix and match deal, which is basically a set deal where you get a main meal and 2 sides and a sauce for $7.50 on a Tuesday. Yes, indeed. So I'm going to look at the menu and show you the menu and tell you off the menu. So on a Tuesday it's £7.50. It's normally $11.29, 11 something. Yes, indeed. View our menus. Just looking for it. Main menu. Just looking for it on the menu. Mix it up. There you go. It's called Mix It Up. And it is $7.50 on a Tuesday. Yes, indeed. That is absolutely fantastic. So, I went for the half roast chicken, coleslaw, sweet potato fries, and the sauce I chose was a Korean barbecue sauce. And I weren't so keen on the Korean barbecue sauce. But that chicken was cooked to perfection. Absolutely delicious. It wasn't dry, it wasn't overcooked, it wasn't undercooked. It was nice and soft, easy to cut. You can even tear it apart with your own hands. It was so soft and so easy to chew. It wasn't chewy one bit whatsoever. When I mean chewy, like disgusting. It was so cooked perfectly. And it was not one bit dry whatsoever. And there was no pinkness to it whatsoever. And I've just missed the bus. Whatsoever. It is absolutely fantastic. The best I have ever had in my life. Now, What else can I say about this? Nothing much, because it was lovely and juicy, and it was soft and easy to eat, and it tastes like proper chicken, not cheap, shall I say. Now, the coleslaw was just like coleslaw, and yes, it was marvellous. Went well with the chicken, and it went well with those sweet potato fries. It was delicious. Nice and creamy coleslaw with a good creamy texture. The sweet potato fries were not overcooked, and they were nice and soft, and they were nicely cooked. They had a nice crunch to some of them, and some of them were just nice and soft, with a good coating from the deep fat fryer. Absolutely brilliant. They were marvellous. Nice and salty, with a good texture, and all the flavours from all three things, apart from the Korean barbecue sauce, which I decided in the end to not use, to not eat, went well together. The coleslaw was one of my favourite coleslaws I've ever had in my life. Absolutely brilliant. Marvellous. The best chicken dish in any pub I have had in my whole life. Yes, indeed. Absolutely marvellous. If you want a proper chicken dish, you want proper cooked food, you want a proper chef, come to the Well's End here near Whitley Bay. I'll try to remember to put the full location in the description down below. It is absolutely fantastic. Not joking one bit whatsoever. The chicken is that soft. It is just unbelievable. Yes, it is soft. Yes. To the point you can once again pull it apart with your fingers without needing a knife. You don't even need a knife for it. It just falls off the bone just like that. Wow! Wow, wow, wow. I have uncovered a hidden gem here at the final time of saying the name of the pub. The Well's End. Yes, a hidden gem of a pub. Wow, wow, wow. I'm lost for words. I can't say any more. All three items were perfect, and I am literally full up to the max. So the rating I give this is a whooping 9.4 out of 10. Wow, wow, wow. I'm stunned, 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 to the point I can't talk no more. Literally have no more words to say about how good that chef in that Hungry Horse is. Brilliant. If you can cook chicken like that, you are a top quality chef. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Enough said. Yes, so I do recommend this pub. Absolutely recommend it. Wow to the max. The last time I was saying that. Apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video right after this one. Bye for now. Bye. Hello everybody, my name is JBM Travels, the true UK traveller. It was absolutely rancid, disgusting. It was dreadful, just unbelievable. Thumbs up. Yes indeed.